Hello everyone, thanks for coming to another unboxing. Today I received another box from the Weverse shop, and this is the BTS recipe book number 2. It was released May 2nd, 2023, and I'd like to show it to you. You might have seen my unboxing on the first recipe book, but this is the second one that has some more favorite items. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right. I believe the last recipe book was green color. This one's purple. Book of Tasty Stories, BTS recipe book number 2, global edition. So very nice, easy homemade meals. Let's see what else it came with. So it looks like it came with some recipe cards. See if I can gently slide this out without getting a paper cut. All right. 간장, 계란밥, kimchi and gimbap. Nice. It has it in English and in Korean. Nice, easy, fun cards. Really just showing ingredients that you need to pick up. So that's helpful for when you go to the store. You can have that all down. Really yummy looking recipes. I'm excited to try these. And I recognize most of these items. You can get them in restaurants. Some of them I've never seen before, so that'll be fun. So great recipe cards here, and take a look inside. Little advertisement of other books that they have. You can see some of these on my unboxing. I don't have the My BTS diary, but I do have these other ones, along with some of these Learn Korean as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Nice photos in here, an introduction. Like how it has Korean and English on it. So colorful, nice thick pages, so clean and so well organized. Oh no, I have a little bit of a crease on this page. Really like how colorful it is. And there's QR codes also. A little bit of explanations and how they tie in with the BTS members. Okay, let's kind of take a faster look through this. Some background, also fun. So even if you don't like to cook, it seems like a great book to have just to read through, even for the lovely photos. Love how detailed it is. So these are all recipes that we saw on the cards, and also pictures of different things like festa, trips they've taken. Really nice. Looks like there's a few other ones back here also. Actually, looks like the ones that are on the card sort of in a different format. Pretty good explanations. Pairings too, that's fun. And desserts. Love that you can make some notes on these too. And all the ingredients and explanations. And references. And what do we have here? Ingredient cards. Oh, a nice little pocket for you to put your cards in. Goes right, oh, I guess you have to fold these up, silly me. So you would fold them up. Oh, they're perforated, so you could tear them into little pieces and stick them into the pocket. Sorry about that. Okay, and then you can put them all together in here. Okay, pretty straightforward. Hope you find a chance to order this yourself. I think it's sold out right now on Weverse, but hopefully they'll do a restock. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I hope you get a chance to get your own. I think it's a useful item to have in your bookshelf, both for Korean recipes and also if you're collecting BTS merchandise. So thanks so much for joining my unboxing. Bye-bye.